Hi, this is Steve from Codename 1. I just want to share with you a new feature that's going to be hitting Codename 1 within a couple days. It's related to certificates and provisioning profiles for the iOS App Store. Traditionally one of the most painful parts of making apps. So if you've deployed anything to iOS or built for a device, then you'll be familiar with the Properties panel and specifically the iOS part of it, where you've got to enter all this information, the debug certificate, password, provisioning profile, certificate. This is the bane of my existence. So we created a wizard so that instead of having to generate all this stuff manually step by step, you just hit generate and this wizard pops up. You log in with your Apple user ID and password. And it asks you which devices you want to use. I'm going to select them all. Now it tells me here that I already have an App Store certificate, so it wonders if I want to override it. If you already had a certificate entered in here, it would allow you to use that one instead. But I'm just going to start fresh, straight through. And it's going to ask me the same thing, but this time for the development certificate, because of course there's two different certificates that Apple requires. And at this point it's asking me just the specifics that I already have, the app name and app bundle. This shows me the certificates that have been generated in the iTunes Connect. I'll click Next. And it has created my provisioning profiles now. So the next step is just to install them somewhere on my hard drive. I'll install them in this folder, say. And that's it. All the information is filled in there. I can now deploy my application without any of the normal headaches that I would have had before.